Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve a problem that related to AC analysis or RL series circuit, or you can say that RLC circuit. Okay, here the question given that find the inductance value of given circuit. Okay, yeah, question asks that find this inductance value of this circuit. Okay, if the power delivered to the resistance is 100 watt, power delivered to the resistance is 100, means that total resistance power delivered is R1 and R2. Okay, this is 100 watt. Okay, combination of R2 and R1. Okay, let here the given that the voltage is the 50 angle 0 and the resistance R1 value is 10 ohm and R2 value is 50 ohm. Okay, and frequency is given that 10 hertz. Okay, we need to find this L value. So first we find power draw of this individual power dropped or consumed dropped in R2 is given by how much? We know this voltage across this is V. Okay, so we can write this power PR2. Okay, we know that this PR2 is equal to how much? V square by R2. Yes or no? So that we know that this is 50 square divided by 10. Okay, then this value equal to 50 watt. Okay, 50 watt. Next we need to find power in R1. So we know that power in R1 is the total power is given that 100 watt. Okay, we first find this power drop. Okay, we can easily find this. Okay, power drop means that's 100 minus 50. Okay, this is equal to 50 watt. Okay, this is complete. Next we find this I1 so that we can find this XL value. Okay, next we find this I1. This I1 is equal to, we know that I1 equal to how much? Okay, for finding this I1 we know that PR1 equal to I1 square into this R1. Okay, we can write this, from this we can write I1 equal to 50 divided by 10 root over. Okay, so this is equal to 2.236 ampere. Okay, 2.236 ampere. Okay, next we find voltage across this. Okay, we know that voltage across this much. Okay, so if you consider RL series circuit, next we find that we know that voltage equal to V equal to algebraic sum of voltage in resistor, then vector sum of the voltage. Okay, this is the VL square. Okay, next we know that the voltage value, so that we put this 50. Okay, this is equal to how much? We know that VR1 square is, that means I1 into R1 square plus VL square. Okay, for squaring both side we can cancel out the root over. Okay, so this is 50 square is equal to, put this value, I1 value is 2.236 into R1 is the how much? Here you write R1 is the 10 ohm. So no, 10 ohm square plus VL square. Okay, from this we find this VL value is equal to, from this we find VL equal to 44.6 44.75 volt. Okay, from this we find this VL value is 44.75 volt. Okay, next we know that we know that VL is equal to I1 into XL. Yes or no? We know that this voltage drop is equal to how much? I into XL. Okay, that inductive reactance. Okay, so put this VL value. This VL value is 44.75. okay, in previously calculate. Okay, next equal to, this is I1 value how much? 2.236. okay, 2.236. okay, into XL, okay, into XL, so that we can find XL equal to how much? This is XL equal to 44.75 divided by 2.236. this is equal to 20 ohm. Okay, but our objective to find inductance. Okay, so that we know that XL equal to 2 pi FL. Okay, so we can find L equal to how much? L equal to XL divided by 2 pi F. Okay, we know that XL value is 20 ohm. Okay, next we find 2 pi F value is given that 10 hertz, so that put 10. Okay, you can find this is 318.7 millihenry. Okay, this is your objective, final objective, to find this inductance value. Okay, this is our first RL problem. Okay, next we go to the some difficult level of problem. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.